Hi guys, today I am here to come up with some bash basic commands line which heavily we use is a startup, and gradually I will put some more commands and videos where you will learn a lot of stuff which we heavily use in DevSecOps environment and DevOps, especially in DevOps. So these are all bash commands. So let's start. I will create a file, and let's suppose I make any file, uh, vim test one. Okay, so I create this file. Whenever we need to create file, always use the vim and then file name, and it will create the file. And this kind of window will be pop up. So we will enter I, and it will we will be then we will be able to write anything there. Okay, we can insert anything. Okay, so here I will just put the basic commands to see what my version of the Docker is. So I will see Docker -v, and I'll put another command name, I mean username. So these two commands I put, and I will save them. So escape, shift colon wq, and enter. I will exit out from there. So now to run this command, so there are a couple of things. So you see these commands are in this file test1. What I can do, I will simple put dot slash test1 and see. Oh, is a permission denied. So what I have to do, I will allow full permission to this file. Change mode plus x is mean allow all the things. Let me just show you first. If I do ls, it's mean show me all the list whatsoever is there in files and documentation. It will show me ls hyphen ltrh. Okay, and it is showing me the file all files with the permission rights. See here, it has read write, and what kind of write it has, you can see. So now what I'm going to do, um, I'm going to give full permission, and let's see, there will be you will see the difference here when I will again run this command. So if I change mode plus x and the file name test1. Okay, now ls hyphen ltrh. Okay, you see the color is green, it's mean it has the permission. And if you compare it with this one, you see is a white color, there's no change. But here I got the green color. And if you go the permission section, you see it has full permission, read write. So, and here it has limited. So now I have full permission. If I will say, I will put again the commands here is dot slash and the test1. You see it is giving me the Docker version, which is 24.0.5, and the my uname is Linux. So it is giving me the all this information. Now let's come another important basic command. Let's I save something in a variable. Let's I take a variable abc is equal to and my variable is New York. Okay, so I put New York in variable abc. So if I want to call this, how I will do? Should I use the print? Let's try print abc. No, it's not working. Or how I can call this one? Echo, because they remember this one print we most heavily use in Python. If we save the variable in Python, so we can call but here the ways we use echo abc, but it is again printing only the variable, not the result, not what I have saved in the variable. So the best way, we use the dollar sign. So echo dollar sign abc, you see my result is here. So this is the dollar sign is we use, echo dollar sign is we use to call the variable. So always remember, whenever in bash you are going to use to call the variable, so always use the dollar sign. Let's see another command. Okay, I'm going to save. See, one command we heavily use is a list, so it will show me what file I have inside my system. And okay, and let's save this one in a variable. I take a variable a is equal to uh, list, and if I want to call this one echo dollar a, it's not working. It's only printing the a. It's only printing the ls, not the all the files which I want to see as a result. So to solve these things, what I have to do, I will do a is equal to dollar, and I put this one in a bracket list. So what I'm doing, I'm going to call all the results in the list, all the result whenever we call put ls, all the results we get in the form of list, I will save in a variable a, and to it is done. And now to call the variable a, I will use the echo dollar, or we always remember, always use dollar to call, dollar sign to call the variable, to call the results. Hey, you see there is a test one. Now what I'm going to do, I'm going to add few more files here. Touch file 1, file 2, file 3. Let's I added 3 files and see, does it still work? Okay, echo dollar a, no, it's not working. There's another issue I am facing. So what I added now is not stored in the variable, so it is still giving me the result, old result, not the updated results. So to get the updated results, so what I have to do, I have to do a couple of more changes here. So see, I have created a couple of files here. Now to see the results, if I go there, echo dollar is just showing me the one file, although you can see I have 3 files here and one folder, a repository test1. So what I can do now to get my right result, I can echo dollar, I use the dollar sign, and I'll put list. Okay, so now it's showing me. Now rather than calling the variable, now I have to call the list, that exact command I have to call. So that command I will call, and it will show me the echo dollar that command, which will show me the result. And similar, so it will showing me all the result. If I choose echo dollar pwd, let's see, it's working. So it's showing me all the my path in my till my current directory, home, documents, bash, test, and video. So whenever I need to run a command, I have to directly run a command by using the dollar sign, and before dollar sign I will add the echo sign. So this is just a couple of the basic things which I share with you. Thank you for watching. Right, so let's go for another command we will use. Let's if I want to read something, and okay, read name. Okay, put any name here. It's a very funny and you know, in the form of fun you learn a lot of things. So always, so try to play with bash. You will learn a lot of things and it is a fun, and take it as a fun. You will enjoy more. So what I say read name, and I put any name. Let's put Salman. Okay. Now, now I have to call this name uh, echo. Should I call echo dollar name? So I use the command echo dollar to call any variable, and then the name. I just say name, and it automatically it pull out the name stored, which was stored in the variable. So this is the way how I use. Similarly, if I use um, echo uh, read uh, my address, star field, star field crescent. Let's I put this address. Any oh sorry, put any address here. 1234. Okay, so if I need to call echo dollar my address, you can just put my, dollar my and put the press the tab button. Automatically it will pick the address and it will show me the address. So these are just couple of basic commands which we use frequently. Okay, mm, let's go a couple of more commands and then we'll wind up. mm, if I put reply and what is your first name, it's not taking any command. So to prompt it, what I have to do, I have to add a flag reply hyphen p, and here I will say first f name. Okay, so let's try here. So what I'm going to give him to read hyphen p and prompt, and what is your first name, and so what is your first name, and if I say mm, let's say Salman. Okay, enter. And if I want to recall this one, so I have to use echo dollar name. So is coming here. Similarly, if I use the same prompt read hyphen p, what is your first name, and I here mention f name. Okay, and I say Salman. Okay, and similarly for the last name I add here L, and I change here last name, and last name Khan, let's say. So I can call them echo dollar f name first name and this is like a dollar first name. I have to give bracket. Oh, oh no. Okay, so we'll go to read command -p, and here I have to give the prompt in inverted commas. Enter your first name, or enter your name, and what I will do, I will ask them to read the first name, f name, right? And that's my first name. I give them Imran, and similarly again I will put the command read -p prompt. What prompt I'm going to give, if I will give the command without the prompt, it will not work. So I have to put -p as a flag to so it accept my command. Enter your name. Which name? This is the last name, so here I'll put last L name, right? So if I put first name Kamran, any I can take, let's suppose Kamal. Okay. So if I want to call these variables, echo dollar, always used to call the variable echo dollar. Now I will just only say f name, so it is giving me the first name. And if I will put L name, last name, so it is giving the command. Can I print the both names? Yes, I can. Echo dollar first name dollar last name and name. See, Kamran Kamal. So I can print both. Similarly, if I put date, so see it's showing me the date. And if I want to call in the variable, like we were calling echo dollar something like that, so dollar date, nothing is coming. Echo dollar date, again nothing is coming. As I mentioned last time, we have to put the brackets here. So same command, but what I will do, I will put the brackets, then it will work. Sorry, not data, date, DATE, yes, it is working. And without it, let me just show you, DATE, yeah, it's not working. So I have to put, when I put the brackets, dollar bracket date, then it's working. So these are just a couple of the commands which I want to share with you. Hope you enjoy it. Thank you for watching. Bye.